To start, let's head outside. If you're looking to design and install or maintain and repair a patio, walkway, or retaining wall, PMS Brick Pavers can help you elevate your outdoor space.
Brick pavers can be walkways, they can be porches, we can do patios, we can do retaining walls. We even offer concrete driveways as well.
When you make an appointment with PMS Brick Pavers, a sales representative will come to your home to design a fabulous outdoor oasis.
You get customer service that is out of this world. That's the feedback that I get quite a bit from speaking with clients, is that they've never worked with a contractor that they just feel so comfortable talking to, from the first call that they make to working with their actual sales representative, and then the follow-up after we're finished too. They just feel safe and secure and listened to.
After the in-home design meeting, you'll be able to visit the incredible indoor showroom.
When you walk through the showroom door, people are absolutely astounded, like jaw-dropping. You just can't believe what they're seeing in here, because when you first walk in, you see an entire house built in our showroom. It gives people a better idea of what they can actually do. You can see the difference between ground level and raised patios. You get to see our retaining walls and the different shapes.
Each project is specifically engineered to your landscape and to withstand Michigan weather.
When we go out and look at the job, we want to know the soil conditions, we want to know elevations, we want to know all those details, because that's going to obviously factor in how we build this project and build it to last. In a backyard, if we're going to be doing an elevated patio, it's very important that we engineer the walls. It's all about drainage and water mitigation, along with compacted base and interlocking the paving stones.
Walkways need special support on slopes.
Gravity is going to want to pull that away, so we call it foundation support block. So we'll actually bury a block on the outside edge to help that from sliding off and keep it structurally sound. It's everything you don't see that is truly important in the brick paver world. It's the base preparation, the right compaction equipment, the right base. Each particular project will be built differently than the next project.
And when it comes to style and design, PMS Brick Pavers is going to walk you through all the options. Whether it's smaller pavers for a walkway or many shapes, sizes, and colors for larger patio projects.
Earth tones are definitely making their way back. And now we're starting to see the browns and the beiges really come to life. A lot of brown, dark brown, chocolate brown.
Lighting is important to complete the look.
So lighting, I think, is critical, because it makes the project beautiful day and night, but it's also for safety as well. We like to use our ledge lights on our steps so people actually can see what they're doing when they're walking. It's the finishing touch.
New installations come with a guarantee.
We're going to guarantee the paver and the workmanship for 4 years.
If you have an existing walkway or patio, PMS Brick Pavers are the experts in repair and maintenance.
Generally speaking, pavers require maintenance every 3 to 5 years or so, and that's what PMS comes from. It's paver maintenance specialist. And so Steve has created his own proprietary blends of sealers.
And if you're looking to add the ultimate in-ground pool, PMS Pavers can do that as well.
We've partnered with River Pools. We've hired somebody to actually help us install these pools to make sure that they go in properly, to make sure that these pools go in perfectly.
And this year, this family company is celebrating a milestone.
25 years in business. I started this company at 19, and I'm 45 now and still doing it. I still have a ton of passion for it.
Clients are so happy that they chose PMS. We have the experience and expertise to give them what it is that they're looking for, whether that be something simple or something extravagant. We genuinely offer diversified services in brick paving and otherwise, from installation, repairs, maintenance, and concrete driveways, and that's why we're the guys.